Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile users. Why would you want to know how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile users? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile users. So today I am going to show you how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile users. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Optimizing your Shopify store for mobile users is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on online store. Now click on themes. From here, click on customize. From here, you can customize your store. Remember, if you are customizing here, it will be only good for desktop view, not for mobile users. If you are willing to optimize your store for mobile users, click on mobile icon in top right section. From here, you can customize and optimize for mobile users. There you go. If you wanted to know how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile users, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.